We'll guide you through how to make and create folders on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With folders, you can go and organize, so it's really great to be able to do. Now you can go and create app folders and also file folders, and we're covering both in this video. So if you want to go and make an app folder, you can do this on the home screen, or you can swipe up and do it on the apps pages here as well. So go and find one of the apps you want to do it with and tap and hold on it. Then when you see that pop up, you can go and start dragging it. And you just go and drag it over the other app you want to go and do it with. So I'll do it over Fire TV. And when you go and drag it, you should go and see that little outline. I missed it there, but when you see it, you go and release and it'll put it into a folder. You can then name it at the top like so. And that's it. Now, alternatively, you can do it with files as well. So let's go and swipe up. We need to go and find our files app. So I'll press search at the top. We can type in files. There it is. I'll go and tap on it. Go to where you want to do it. I'll come into my documents, let's say. And then what you can do is go and tap and hold. I'll just go and switch to the files at the top there. Tap and hold on a file. Then press move in the bottom left. And we'll go and press the plus in the top right. And you can go and name it what you want. Go and press create. And then you can go and move the file into it. Or you don't even need to do that if you don't want to. But that's it. Then you can go and switch to the folders, and here it is.